Hey guys, my name is Ruben and today's Wednesday, December 2nd, and I want to talk to you guys about discerning the news, which is something that I've talked about quite a bit the last few videos. But in this specific instance, we heard about the potential delisting of Chinese stock like NEO and Beidou and all of these other ones. And ironically, we heard this the same day that there was a Goldman Sachs upgrade for NEO, and it's something that it's worth noting considering that oftentimes you'll hear really great news or presumably great news with something that could be presumably contradictive that makes the stock pull back significantly, as we saw yesterday and today with NEO. And something worth noting here, and it's important to notice this as you see pullbacks, is that the news gave the, theoretically, if this even goes through, right, is giving the Chinese government or these stocks 3 years to basically make themselves US compliant, which is actually a lot less regulation than what you would see with the SEC here in America. And so as you can see here, we came back to this really great buy-in opportunity, in my opinion. Again, because just of the nature of the current market, I would consider more so buying options than the outright stock, especially out of the money in a stock like this one. Nothing I say is a buy, sell, or hold recommendation. You can lose all or more of your capital trading, investing in the financial markets. But you can kind of see how it came back to fill these orders here on the daily candle that goes back to November 10th. And so I did want to point this out because it is really important to kind of see the way the news really plays into the hands of the novice trader or people that are more so, novice. And really how it can be very easily seen the way this kind of works, right? Because there was this huge pullback with the upgrade to buy from Goldman Sachs. And I also want to point out that Tesla also said that they would consider a merger, which is something that I talked about maybe a year ago or longer. I think one of the first videos I made this year was the potential for, or the likelihood that I believe Tesla is going to end up merging with someone in the EV sector. And so you have a lot of this really great news, and then you see a pullback dampered by this news of the Chinese stock delisting. And if you see this aggravated pullback with the news that, like what came out, that would even take 3 years to compute or to even be triggered, it's a pretty high likelihood that it's gonna present a buying opportunity, especially if it ends up matching with a demand area. So with that said, guys, I hope this video was helpful. I am going to also upload the video that I recorded yesterday for you guys that I completely just spaced out on uploading it. So I will upload December 1st and 2nd. And with that said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.